Hello foodies, welcome back to Sanam's kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you Paneer Pockets, which is a really easy snack, but I'd like you to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my cooking videos. So this is a perfect appetizer or a snack, finger food, good for a kid's lunch. So let's start. We need a boiled and mashed potato, about 1 cup, 1 cup of grated paneer, which is also called Indian cottage cheese, and here I have a mix of vegetables like capsicum and onion and fresh coriander, red chili flakes, oregano, grated ginger about 1 teaspoon, green chili paste and salt. So mix everything well until everything is combined. And this is a really easy recipe, very easy to prepare, and kids will love this. So the mixture is ready. Now take about 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour and mix water, and then we're going to make a paste so that we can bind our pockets easily. Now take a slice of bread. We are going to remove the edges of the bread. Now I save the edges so I can make a delicious recipe. I will share it next time. Now we are going to take our filling and place it on one side of the bread so that we can fold it. Now apply the paste that we prepared so that we can fold it and it can easily stick together. So we're going to close it, press it firmly so that there is no gap, and seal it like this. So I prepared all the pockets. Now it's time to shallow fry it, or grill it. You can shallow fry it, grill it, or fry it even. So I'm just going to grill it until they are nice and golden from all the sides. And here our paneer pockets are done. They are looking nice and golden and beautiful. And you can serve this as a snack, tea time snack, or even in a kid's lunch. And I'm sure kids will ask this for again and again. Serve this hot with any chutney or sauce. I'm serving this with marinara sauce, and it's really delicious and yummy. I'm sure kids will ask for more and more. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and follow me on the social media, and I'll see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.